Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you have your attention for just a moment, I'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700. A safety information card is in your seat back pocket in front of you. Please check it out and see what it's all about. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To tighten pull on the loose strap, to release the tip on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward door exits, 2 overwing window exits, 2 door exits in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead you to these exits. In case of evacuation, follow the flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use that life vest underneath your seat. Remove the vest if only told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on safety information card. Place that vest over your head or wrap that strap around your waist. Buckle it in front and pull it tight. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate your vest to manually inflate and blow on the tube at your shoulder. There is a light that will turn on automatically once it hits the water. To put a life vest on infant, check out that safety information card. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are going to come by and check to make sure your seatbelts are fastened, your seat back and tray tables are in their full and upright and locked position, and all your carry-on items are completely stored underneath the seat in front of you or the overheads and leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board a clean lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations requires passengers compliance by illuminated signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. There are 2 lavatories on board. There is one in the front and one in the back. Do not form a line at the forward lavatory. If any of you brought any alcohol on board, please keep it stowed in your carry-on. There will be no drinking of personal alcohol on today's flight. For oxygen mask, will drop in the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Take off your mask or face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with elastic strap. Now the oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. These are the do's and don'ts. Do the do's, don't do the don'ts. If you see something, please say something. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your short 50-minute flight 50 to Baltimore. Welcome aboard. If you don't like to have a reading light, there's a picture of a light bulb on the butt of your head. Hit that button, your light should turn on. We've been cleared for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.